Do you want to get the best quality voice? Like say, like you don't use mic, you don't have money to buy mic, you don't have money to go to studio, and you don't have money to get a best quality mic that you need. But I can tell you that with ordinary phone, you can do it and you can get your voice to loud. Like as you can hear my voice now. If I told you, sir, I did not use any mic on this video, will you believe me? You will not believe it, because the voice sound quality, like it gives the best quality of the voice that you never hear before. How to remove any noise when they for your voice. On this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know so that you can know how to do your video voice to come out. Like say you are using mic. Look at my chest. Did you see any voice? Did you see any mic? Look at my hand. I don't have any mic, but my video come out like say my voice come out like say I'm using microphone. I don't use any microphone. It's very necessary because YouTube needs quality video and quality voice. When your voice is coming out, your audience can listen to you and they can know what you are saying to follow you up. If your voice is not coming out, even though your video clean past anything, that one will be zero. So your voice needs to be coming out. So on this video, I will not waste much of your time. I'm going to show you step by step how you can make your voice to be quality. At least your voice will come out. Real voice, what you do with your phone like this, so to be come out like say you do it like a pro. Are you someone that is into content creator, like you are doing comedy or whatever what you are into, where we say your voice, you don't get money to get mic, you don't have money to go studio, or you don't get best equipment? With this one, it's going to help you to achieve that quality of that video that you are looking for. If it is what you like to follow me to learn how I do it, kindly do well by subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video to other people to learn too. You have to share the video for other people to learn too, because I give you more updates where we say you don't know. I have many tricks where we say I can use, which is you don't even know. Many people, before they do their video, they get the ringer, they get ring light, they get this one, they get this one, they get this one. But there are some tricks where you go use where we say, even though the low quality video, you can take to the highest quality video. Even though the low quality voice, you can take to the highest quality voice. So on this video, I'm going to take you to my screen, show you everything. I mean everything. No one will left behind. So follow me step by step and make sure say you watch this video from the beginning here to the end, because at the end, that is where you get exactly what you're going to want for. The end, you will not say, yes, I do real magic on this video. So let me tell you, you have to calm down and settle your mind down to follow me step by step as I'm going to show you this, because a little you miss can make you to confuse along the road. So you need to watch it from the beginning to the end. No skip, no cut. Make sure say you learn it, and make sure say you share the video for the other two to get benefit out of this, because when other learn, when you learn, you teach other, God will reward you. So let's go to the screen. Let's finalize everything. Let me show you how I use this voice. Come be like I did this, only this voice come when it come be like say I'm using microphone. Let's go to the screen. So you have to go to your Google Play. You see this app that my arrow direct to. The name of the app is BandLab. This BandLab, you're going to need it on your phone. You have to go to your Google Play now and search for BandLabs. You go see the logo. Make sure say you download the same of this app like what you are seeing on my screen here. That is what you are going to download. So I will just want to take it as a screen shoot for you guys, so that you got everything on how to do this. So you don't get this app. When you get this app, so when you don't download the app, you are going to open the app. When you open the app, this is what you are going to see on the menu of the app. So first of all, I'm going to tell you direction where we are going to take to get this thing done successfully. So I'm going to show you the video record of this thing, how to do it, but you are going to click on this plus sign here. I'm going to click on the plus sign here. So when you click on the plus sign, it's going to open to this place, which is you are going to see this either a sampler or import file. This import file is where you are going to click. You are going to click on this import file so that you can bring that video that you do. The video that you do, import file is what you are going to. So after click that thing, see where it's going to go. Now is at it the app don't open the file in my phone already, so you can see the file on my phone. See the video that I'm doing here. I can click on the video. So when click on the video, is going to, you are going to wait for the app to load this, like as you can see on the screen here, importing. The app is going to importing their video to this app. You can use this app to produce music, but this one, that is why you can use it here. When you do finish, you got yourself like this. You can see I'm playing the voice of the video. It's only the voice of the video that is going to coming out here. You can see here now I'm playing the same voice in the video that I do. So after you play the voice of the video, let me show you how to increase the volume, for you to clear the noise, everything. Particular video, you can see where you can increase the volume. Take this thing, drag am, even the down on again, you can still drag am. When you playing, you can see the voice will start. As now you can see it's talking very loudly. The thing is loud, so you need to do some setting to clear the noise or make the voice to be like mic, like as it is now. I'm going to take you to that place, but you can see the voice. I'm talking like I'm playing it. Now you go back, click on this mic, this small mic you are seeing here. You will have to click on it. Yeah, it will bring you here. When bring you here, you can see the down, this down, you go where you see FX none, you click on it. You see this mic on, you can click on it. Your sound will be like, say you are using a nice microphone. Your sound is going to be like you are using microphone, like as you put it. You can change it to any effect of your choice, but me, I particularly use this number one because it's recommended. So after that one again, you have to click on the, you are going to click on the wave, like the wave here, this three dot, click on it. You can see the noise. Yes, you click on the noise. You wait for when the app make sure say all your voice is the noise, like all the noise in the voice is clear. So you are successful like this. Now you can see it is successful. There's no noise in it. It's like you go to studio, you produce a nice voice right here right now with very loud sound where we say you wanted to give to your video. Make sure say you don't cut anywhere, come out. Make sure say you don't trim anywhere, because you are going to upload it back to your video to make your voice dey okay. So make sure say the minute dey okay, no fast, no slow am. You can see after you finish everything like this, then you are going to export it to your file. You are going to save the video, like export it to inside the app. Like the app get where you can publish the voice like music, but here you are going to publish it. When you publish it there, you are going to download. On this video I will show you how to publish it and how you can download, but now I'm playing my voice to hear everything clearly. If I don't want the voice to distract this thing, to distract this what we are doing here, so that is why I don't want to play it for you on the screen. So we are going there now. You can see where you can publish it. Now I'm publish the thing, saving. Now it's going to show me where to title the thing, like the name of the sound. Maybe let me just type let me cancel this one first. Let me cancel this one first. Okay, let me cancel this one first. Okay, let me just write voice cover here. I have to type voice cover. Okay, sorry, it's my keyboard. Voice cover. Then I will just come down. Let me just click on mark for down for my keyboard. Yes, you can see it's loading. The thing is loading. It's loading. Now save. So you can go back to the main menu of the app again. You can click on this, play your project, that is the playlist. You can see it. You will see it up here. Then you see voice cover. Click on voice cover. Then you see sign of download here. When you click on this sign of download, it's going to download to your downloading file. You go see them. When you click on download, it's going to go to your downloading file. Like this one, I just want to show you the direction where to click on the download on the screenshot. Let me crop this one first so that it go dey zoom. Okay, see where my arrow go. That is where you are going to click for you to download the voice. Now as you can see, I have downloaded it. I want to download either video audio. Now in good part. You know, see I'm file save to downloading. So from here you can go to your video editing, bring your video, then add this audio you go see say you go sound like say you using microphone. If what I teach you on this video is what you like and you know say you are interested of this, kindly do well by subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Like to see you for my next video by tomorrow morning.